Class 5 grammar. Class 5 grammar will start from page number 45. Okay. Now see. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used for an action continuing at some named time. Okay. Some named time in the past. Now something which is continuing in the past, which has continued in the past, from the past. The chief interest is not in the time of action, but it is continuity. It will be continuing, that is continuous. When I saw him, he was playing chess. When I saw him, he was playing chess. I was having lunch when he came to my house. Was playing, having, this is all continuing. Okay. The structure of this tense is was, where plus v1 ing. Okay. Ing will be there. Was, where, or ing will be there with the words. Okay. Now no need to do this one. We'll do number 2 only. Use the simple past or simple continuous form of the given verb. She not see I that I stand behind her. She did not see that I was standing behind her. She did not see that I was standing behind her. She heard that her child was shouting. She heard that her child was shouting. It is ing is written. She heard that her child was shouting. I do my homework when you call me. I was doing my homework when you called me. Ram play football when he break his leg. Ram was playing football when he broke his leg. Okay. Like this you will do this one. Now next. Now note the difference in the use of the tense. Now see. Present simple, past simple, present continuous, past continuous. For things we do again and again, always, often, sometime, usually, every day. For things completed in the past, yesterday, last night, last evening, last month, etc. For things happening at the time of speaking, now, at this time. And for things happening at a particular moment in the past, then, at that time. Okay, now see. Look at the following example. Now see. He goes to school daily, present continuous, present simple. He goes to school daily. Present continuous. He is now going to school. Present continuous. He went to school yesterday. Past simple. He went to school yesterday. And past continuous. He was then going to school. Past continuous. Now, future simple tense. The future simple tense is used for an action that is still to take place. For activity still to take place. Now see. I shall see him tomorrow. They will play a match next Sunday. That is future simple tense. The verb form in this tense is will and shall plus v1. We normally use shall in the first person ing, and we use will second or third person. Okay. We use shall with ing. Shall is used with ing and will is used with you, he, she, they will, he will, you will, she will, I shall, we shall. Shall and will are usually constructed. Now see, I will help my friends. He will finish his work. It will be very cold today. Now short form will not, wouldn't, and short form of shall not, shan't. She won't believe your story. She shall not be free until evening. Now, important note now. Shan't is very rarely used to speak in English. Except in question, will is commonly used for all persons. Example, I will wait for you, we will wait for you, I won't wait for you, I wait for you. These are things which we use. Now, rewrite this sentence using to be going. I shall dance at the party. I am going to dance at the party. They will visit Delhi next month. They are going to visit Delhi next month. We shall paint our house on we are going to paint our house on Diwali. Okay. Jane will marry a doctor next month. Jane is going to marry a doctor next month. Okay. Like this you will do the rest. Now next. We will finish the chapter today. Future continuous, it will continue something. Now future continuous tense is used for an action going on some point of time in future. I shall be waiting in future for in future evening. They will be playing a cricket match at that time. The structure of the sentence is will, shall with be plus v1 verb. See, be, shall be, will be, and I waiting and playing. The next, this also we'll do number 1 is crossed, we'll do number 2 only. This also number 1 crossed, we'll do number 2 only. Okay. Use the future for simple or continuous for the given verb. The sky is dark, I think it, the bracket is rain. The sky is dark, I think it will rain. We sit in the park at 5 o'clock. We shall be, with we, I and we use shall, so we shall be sitting in the park at 5 o'clock. They play a match today. They will be playing a match today at 4 p.m. Mom will be opening the door when you come. We shall wait. We shall be waiting for you when you come back. Like this we'll do. Okay. So this one will have homework. So 3 page only. The number 2 here also number 2 and here also number 2. Okay. Clear? So for today this much. Thank you.